Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. So Aquarius, this is your current energy, Four of Swords in reverse. This is your partner's current energy, Seven of Pentacles. Aquarius, good morning. I think that you are ready to wake up from a deep sleep, okay? Or perhaps you are pretending to be in sleep mode. Now you are tired of sleeping. So good morning to you. Okay, Aquarius, it seems like you wanted to ignore something in past, or you were ignoring something in past. Now you are being somebody who wants to take a lead. All right, you want to see that how far you can go in this situation. This situation could be related to your finances, could be related to your money, could be related to your relationship. Okay, this could be related to anything. All right, so you are being somebody who is now ready to take action. On the other hand, we have Seven of Cups. Aquarius, your person is being somebody who is completely confused. They are being somebody who does not know what to do in life and where should I go. Okay, at same point of time, they need money, they need finances, they need love, they need emotion, they need each and everything. But the worst part is that they are not doing anything to achieve a single thing. Okay, they are completely confused in life. They are not able to comprehend what they want in life, or what is their actual calling in life. All right, now let's see, Aquarius, what is the current situation of this relationship. What is the current situation of this relationship? Sharing. Okay, with this card, I feel that both of you are working towards this relationship in an equal manner. Both of you are giving your equal emotion, equal time, equal efforts, equal energy in this relationship. Perhaps you have understood, both of you have understood this thing, that Aquarius is the only person for me. Okay, and perhaps you have also understood the concept, or you have also learned the lesson that this person is the only person which is meant for me. Okay, even though they are confused, but it's okay. When it comes to giving their heart, when it comes to sharing their emotions, they are equally investing in you. Okay, now let's see what they think about you, what they are doing right now in this relationship, and what is going to be the future plans of them. Okay, innocence, comparison, and flowering. With this innocence card, Aquarius, I feel that your person thinks about you that you are somebody who is very kind, who is very compassionate, who is very innocent, basically, who always trusts the other people's story. They see you as somebody who can be fooled by anyone. Okay, you are someone who believes in each and every story. Whoever comes and tells you, you believe that people are saying truth to you, but they are not. So in that case, your person sees you as somebody who is completely an innocent person. Okay, they know that people can make you fool. They know that people can make that people manipulate you. Okay, because you are so innocent. All right, now when it comes to take what they are doing in this relationship, Aquarius, your person, I feel that they are into in some kind of a comparison game. That's why they are feeling confused in life. Perhaps they have started comparing themselves with the other person, or they have started comparing their lifestyle with the other person's lifestyle. Okay, so there is a feeling of comparison in his mind. Okay, they must be comparing their clothes with the other person, they must be comparing their lifestyle with the other person, but it should not be the case. It shouldn't happen, because they are unique in their own way, the other person is unique in their own way. Okay, so they should not do such kind of comparison thing. Okay, now the future is something which is as expected, because I said that you guys are somebody who is equally investing in each other, who has equally invested with in terms of emotion, finances, time, your emotions, and affection and attention. Okay, so the contribution from both of sides are equal, and with this flowering card, it seems like the future is going to give you a lot of abundance, lot of prosperity, lot of positivity. Okay, this person is definitely going to take some solid steps towards you, Aquarius. That thing will definitely lead this relationship towards abundance, prosperity, happiness, and positivity. All right, so Aquarius, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Four of Swords in reverse. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Seven of Cups. And yes, we have earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this comparison card. And we have with this flowering card, and we have another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this comparison card. All right, we have fire sign as well, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so some of you could be dealing with that too. So Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.